Passive income is a goal that many people strive to achieve, and YouTube offers a unique opportunity to make it a reality. With just few videos, you can earn income for years to come. In this guide, we'll take a closer look to earn passive income as a YouTuber, including the importance of SEO and 5 key steps to creating successful income-generating videos for your channel. Why passive income? Now, you might be wondering, why should I strive for passive income as a YouTuber? Well, let me tell you, my friend, it's all about the freedom it offers. Passive income allows you to break free from the chains of trading your time for money. Instead of constantly hustling to create new content and relying solely on ad revenue, passive income empowers you to earn money while you focus on other aspects of your life or explore new creative endeavors. It's the ultimate dream, the foundation. Here's the secret ingredient to earning passive income as a YouTuber: a strong and engaged audience. Think of your subscribers as your loyal fan base, the ones who eagerly await your every video. But how do you do that? It all starts with high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Find your niche, understand what your viewers want, and deliver value consistently. Remember, an engaged audience is the fuel that powers your passive income machine. Monetization strategies. Now that you've built a solid foundation with your engaged audience, it's time to monetize your channel. Don't limit yourself to just one income source. Diversify, my friend. One of the most popular ways to earn passive income as a YouTube's partner program. Seek out brand partnerships and collaborations that align with your channel's values and content. Become an affiliate marketer and promote products or services that genuinely benefit your audience. Consider creating and selling your own merchandise or digital products such as ebooks or online courses. The key is to have multiple income streams that work together to generate passive income. Evergreen content. Want to earn passive income for years to come? Create evergreen content. Evergreen content. Evergreen content refers to videos that remain relevant and valuable to your audience. Unlike trendy or time-sensitive content, evergreen videos stand the test of time and continue to attract views and generate income months or even years down the line. By focusing on evergreen content, you increase your chances of attracting organic traffic and generating passive income even months or years down the line. Consistency and optimization. Consistency and optimization are the secret ingredients that can take your passive income game to the next level. Consistency means showing up for your audience regularly. Stick to a content schedule that works for you and keep providing value consistently. Optimization involves improving your video's visibility through SEO, search engine optimization, eye-catching thumbnails, compelling titles, and engaging video descriptions. By optimizing your content, you increase the chances of attracting more views and ultimately passive income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time,